Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, dear students. Welcome to my online class. This is Muhammad Kamrul Islam, English teacher, Sal Massachusetts High School, Hatazari, Chattogram, class 6 to 8, English second paper, Gamma. What can you see? Read the sentence. What an exciting water game it is. What an exciting water game it is. Now read the second sentence. How amazing the show is. Can you imagine what kinds of sentences they are? Yes, they are called exclamatory sentences. Do you know what is an exclamatory sentence? Yes, exclamatory sentence is that expresses sudden emotion of a mind, and it is one of the 5 sentences according to the meaning. We know there are 5 sentences according to the meaning. They are assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory sentence. So today we are discussing exclamatory sentence. And that's why our today's lesson is exclamatory sentence. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to identify the definition of exclamatory sentence, identify the structure of exclamatory sentence, rearrange the jumble words to make exclamatory sentences, with clause. Again, what is an exclamatory sentence? What a beautiful flower it is. How beautiful the flower is. Can you notice 2 types of exclamatory sentences we can see here? One is with what a and another is with how. And these 2 sentences expresses sudden feelings of our mind. So the sentence that expresses something surprising, amazing is called exclamatory sentence. We know there are 3 formations of exclamatory sentences. We can see 3 types of exclamatory sentences, and now I am going to discuss them one by one. First of all, the formation of exclamatory sentence 1, and it is with what a or what an, then or how plus adjective plus subject plus verb. When the assertive sentence is with a or an, then the formation of this sentence will be with what for making it exclamatory sentence. And if we don't see any article a or an, then we will form it with how. So we can form the exclamatory sentence with what a and how. If we must notice article in the sentence, if we see a or an, then we will make it with what, and if we don't see any article like a and n, then we will make it or form it with how. And now we see 2 pictures. One is expressing sorrows. The man is feeling headache and in the right pictures the players are expressing their joys. They are expressing their joys. So one is expressing sorrows and another picture is expressing joy. Formation of exclamation sentence 2. To express joy and sorrows, these words are used. Alas, hurrah, oh. These words are used at the beginning of the sentence to express sudden joys or sorrows, and then assertive sentence. These are formation of exclamatory sentence 2. Now we can see another formation of exclamatory sentence that will start with if or had plus subject plus verb plus extension. And then we can also see another exclamatory sentence that will start with would that. And notice one thing, that if and would that have the same meaning, we can start the same sentence with if or with would that. The meaning will be same. And with the three formations of exclamatory sentences, now we are going to rearrange the jumbo words to make exclamatory sentences. Now look at the sentences. Number 1, eat beautiful frame what is. Number 2, nice the frame how is. Number 3, I wings a of had the but. Number 4, I that be again child I would could a. Number 5, where if a I be I butterfly. And these words are given here in a jumbled way, and if we want to make the exclamatory sentences, uh, we can do it by remembering the three rules of formation of exclamatory sentence. For example, number 1, what a beautiful frame it is. If we want to make exclamatory sentence in a correct way, number 1, we must say, we must use what at the beginning. What a beautiful frame it is. And number 2 will be, we don't see any article here, so it must be formed with how. And here we can also see how nice the frame is. And number 3, we see had here. We also know that had is used at the beginning to make exclamatory sentences. So, had I the wings of a bird. Notice please, if we express anything from imagination, which is not possible practically, but we can imagine, then we use had, if, and as a result, so we can say, had I the wings of a bird. Actually, it's not possible to be a bird, but we can wish. So to wish an impossible thing or desire, we use such exclamatory sentence. Now number 4, would that I could be a child again. Would that I could be a child again. Here we can use would that because it is also same like if, and we have also learned this formation before. Now number 5, if I were a butterfly. Actually it's not possible, but sometimes we wish to be something impossible. In this way we can form all sentences in a correct way. I hope all you have understood this. Okay? Now you are given 5 sentences to make by seeing the pictures as homework. Okay, thank you all for joining the class.